Hello, Parkwood science students. I'm Mr. Marmara. I will be your science teacher this year. Now, it's possible that I'm probably going to see you once a week for a majority of the school year, but I wanted to reach out and say hello to you, even if you're checking out this video from home. I look forward to seeing you guys. It's going to be a fun year, but a challenging year, but we're going to succeed together. Just a couple of things to note. Because you're only going to be seeing me live once a week, it's really important that you familiarize yourself with our Canvas page here. So you're going to see a lot of resources. You're going to see some announcements that'll be posted here, as well as the announcements section on the left-hand side. You're going to see a couple of important course documents to learn more about the science course itself. And every morning when you walk into Parkwood Middle School, whether it's me or with another teacher in homeroom, you're going to take attendance, and you're going to take attendance yourself. And that can be done at home as well when you're working virtually. So you would just click here. It's going to take you to what we're calling the Bear's Den. So this is like a central location for all 8th grade students. And you'll see a big attendance button down here. You'll click there, fill out some information every day that you're participating at school or at home on any classwork. All right. Other really important things to know, at the bottom of your Canvas page, you're going to see a list of activities. Don't be super stressed about this just yet. We're going to take our time working our way through it, but you can always scroll down to the bottom to see what's coming up. And you also have your agenda over here on the right. I will be planning on going live at the end of every single class. So if you have any questions at home, you are welcome to join what we're calling a Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you have any questions, feel free to log into that, and I will be there to assist you. That will probably be going live probably in the second week of school. On Fridays, we're going to all have office hours. Our science office hours are the 2nd and 4th Fridays of every month. That schedule will also be available on our Canvas page. In terms of instruction, we use a flipped classroom. So what that means is when you're in here at school at Parkwood Middle with me, we're not going to be taking notes together. That's going to be your job at home. When you come back to school, we're going to be doing hopefully some hands-on stuff if we can do that safely, but also some more fun activities that we can build your knowledge base off of those notes. If you can't get those assignments done at home, then you're going to be spending some time in class here trying to catch up. So do try those assignments at home when you can. We are working on a semester. So I know last year you guys are familiar with working in semester schedules. We also are going to do a semester of science this year. So once you're done with your first semester of science, you'll be moving into social studies. It is a pretty quick pace because of that. So we'll be doing about 2 note devices a week. So 2 new topics a week. With that being said, we are allowing you a week of late time. So every day that something is turned in late, it is 10 points off until it hits that week period. So after a week, we can't take your work, just as always. So it's very important that if you have questions, you get logged into those conferences or you shoot me an email. And that email is available on our school website and also on that Bear's Den page that I showed you earlier. With that being said, you're gonna have 5 different lessons a week, just like you normally would. 4 of those are going to be virtual, and they will be pasted for you right on that Canvas page. So it'll tell you what to do. At the start of each module, you'll see a video from me explaining the different tasks that are in that day's module. One of those lessons will be live, so it will not necessarily fit into your virtual lessons. It's going to be kind of pulled out there. So if you see in a module that a lesson is a remote lesson, that's going to be done at home. If it's a live lesson, that's going to be done here at school together. When you're at school, a couple of important notes. It's really important that you follow all the instructions when it comes to our safety plan. So make sure that you're wearing masks when everyone's here together. Make sure that you're washing your hands very frequently, and we'll be taking those breaks together. Because you're going to be wearing masks all day, we are going to take some mask breaks. So those will be built into your schedule. You'll also see when you walk into class, different colored stickers. There's red, yellow, green, and blue. And those correspond to the different time slots of the schedule. So if you're in my homeroom, then you're going to be a yellow sticker. If you're in my bear block, that's a red sticker. fourth block green, and our last block is going to be blue. And that's going to be the same for all teachers throughout the school. So that should help you guys navigate the different classroom settings. As always, if you need anything, don't hesitate to email me. I'm here for you guys. I know this is going to be a tough year, but I'm here for you, and the whole staff here at Parkwood is here for you. So we can do this.